Hi everyone! We will be making vegetable biryani today. To start off, I'm going to use the nutrela soy chunks. You can use any meat substitute you like, such as tofu or tempeh, or none at all and just use vegetables. To prepare these, you want to boil them in water with a pinch of salt for 3 minutes. Once they're done, drain them and squeeze any excess water out. You can use a potato smasher for this, but I couldn't find mine, so I'm just using a steel glass and colander. And as you can see, they're very spongy, and that's really good because they absorb all the juices in your dish and become really flavorful, and that's why I like using these. Next, prepare all the vegetables you want to use. I'm going to be using carrots, potatoes, and green beans. Also chop cilantro, 1 tomato, and mint. In pot number 1, you want to boil about 15 cups of water and add whole spices such as cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, cumin, and bay leaves. In pot number 2, you want to heat up some oil and add butter. This is optional, but we like the flavor it provides. And please be more careful than I was. Once it's hot, add 1 large sliced onion and saute until it's golden brown. Now add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You can also just use regular ginger and garlic if you don't have the paste. It smells so good, and I love the sound when you stir it. After about 2 minutes, go ahead and add your cut tomatoes. Add your veggies. About 8 chilies. And 3 teaspoons of chili powder. Most people use just chilies or just chili powder to add some heat to their dishes, but we like using both because both combined give a really nice dynamic flavor. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander cumin powder, the soy chunks from earlier, again squeezing out any excess water, about 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 cups plain yogurt, a handful of kasuri methi, one tablespoon garam masala, squeeze 1 lemon, add half of the chopped cilantro and mint. Now you want to cook it on low for 10 minutes. Let's work on the rice. So wash 9 cups of basmati rice and add it to pot number 1 after the water is boiling. Now this is what makes biryani biryani. After about 10 to 12 minutes, the rice will be 70% done. After that, you want to turn the flame off and take the rice and add it to your vegetable pot. You can drain any of the rice you weren't able to get in a strainer in the sink. The reason we add so many of the whole spices while the water is boiling is so the rice becomes really aromatic and the flavor really seeps in. This is optional, but instead of adding all of the rice at once, we like to add layers of rice and add fried onion and the rest of the cilantro and mint in between. You can add food coloring if you like, or some saffron soaked in milk. Make a tight seal and cook on low for 20 minutes. This is his entertainment every day. He watches those squirrels like a tiger. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoy. Our family and friends love this, even the kids. And keep in mind, this was for a party, so we made 9 cups of rice. For home, you can definitely scale down. I'll have the exact measurements and ingredients in the description below. Papa. Okay.